You see this institution called marriage, Holy Moses. Honestly, you need a whole lot of patience to deal with it. Tolerance from the husband, from the children, from the sister-in-laws, from family, from well-wishers. Honestly, you need a whole lot of patience for you to keep you going, honestly. So lately, my husband have been like, oh my God, I've missed this kind of stew, this, that. I don't like the stew, that the tomato is all blend, that you need the one that will be eating. You'll be seeing some of the tomato particles, onions in the stew. As a man born and brought up in the village, because it's only someone who is born and brought up in the village will still be requesting this kind of stew in this era. So watch as I make this stew for him, just for him. I have to displease my children, myself, to go through this process and prepare this for him so that there will be peace in the house. That's why I said it's insufficient marriage. Oh my goodness. Sometimes, not just sometimes, majority time you have to displease yourself just to please either your husband or your children or your note. My children don't like it, but they will end up removing all those fresh tomato particles so that they can able to eat. For me, not that I don't like it, but the process of me boiling, pounding, oh my God, that is what I would have just washed, put in the blender and blend and cook. But it take me so many times to prepare it. But it's all good. It's so good because that was what I signed when they asked me, will you marry me? And I said, yes, I do. So I do with I do with everything that comes with it. So apart from violence. How I achieved this Asian stew? Yes, I called it Asian stew because of the process of making it. So I wash my fresh tomato with my oshimbo. Then I have to cut my tomato into 2 or 3 places. Then I place 2 of them in the pot for it to boil on a low heat. Once the tomato is dried, so I have to bring it out and put in a shifter for it to dry the remaining water. Then put in the mortar and turn with my pencil until I get that perfect texture that I want. That was how I was able to achieve this fresh tomato of mine. For the protein, you can add any protein of your choice. Mine, I use cow beef. So you can use the cow skin, you can use chicken, you can use fish, you can use cow intestine, you can use goat meat. Any choice, any one you want, you are good to go with this kind of stew. What is difficult there is you boiling, blending your tomato with your mortar, not your blender. So that's where the work is. But any other thing seems stressless. So our food is ready. Let's eat. Right now I'm dishing for 4 of us. My son, my daughter, I, and my girl. So join us, let's eat. If you like this video, kindly like, subscribe and comment. God bless you and stay blessed. Lest I forget, did you add crayfish to your stew on a normal days? Well, my answer is yes. If I remember it, I must add crayfish to it. It's a banger. Not just this one, this Asian stew of mine, but in the normal circumstances, I add a little. I mean a little pinch of it, not just a whole. Talk more of this, my Asian stew that needs more of crayfish. But even though that it need more of crayfish, I added little. The one you saw that wasn't plain, I didn't add everything. It was little. Just watch very well. You will see it. It was just I panned a little and added to it. It's going to give your stew a unique and a perfect taste. Everything is not all about spices. If you have been watching my videos, you know that I don't deal with a whole lot of spice. It's just my spice, one of the spice, and natural spice with my seasoning. that is ginger garlic. That is all for me. So thank you for watching. God bless you.